Here in the next step we are going to solve a question of IIT JAM. To solve that question, it is necessary to understand this definition. This definition is about an interior point of a set. So one must go through this definition. Thereafter, he or she must try to understand this question. Here you see S is open 0 to closed. T is closed 1 3 open. In this interval, the elements belongs to these sets. And here you see S degree. S degree is set of interior points of this set. So interior points of this set will be 0 to 2. 2 will not be included because if you take neighborhood of 2, neighborhood means 2 minus delta. Delta is a positive number. 2 minus delta, 2 plus delta. Then 2 plus delta will be outside of this set. So 2 is not included in the set of interior points. So in the same way, T degree, set of interior points of T will be 1 2 3. 1 will be excluded. Now here we have 4 options. You see 4 options. In one you see S oblique T. Here you first we see the question. Here we obtained set of interior points of S degree, S T degree, and here the set of interior points of S oblique T. First get S oblique T. S oblique T means we have to exclude those points of S which are present in T. So this will be 0 to 1. Now set of interior points of S oblique T will be the same 0 to 1. Now we go here. You see in first option you see S oblique T degree. So for A we do S oblique T degree. So S is, you see here, 0 to 2. Oblique T degree is 1 3. And if you find, then this will be 0 to 1. 1 will be included, but you see that these two intervals are not equal. So A is our wrong option. Now B. See the B. In B you see S oblique T. Here you see S oblique T. S oblique T. We already have found S oblique T. Here you see 0 to 1. 0 to 1, and you see this 0 to 1 is equal to this. So B is our correct option. Let us see option C. In option C you see S degree oblique T degree. S degree oblique T degree. S degree is here 0 to 2. Oblique T degree 1 to 3. And if you find this, then this will be 0 and closed at 1. And you see this interval is not equal to this interval. So C is our incorrect option. Now D. In D you see here S degree by oblique T. S degree oblique T. You see S degree is 0 to 2, open at both sides, and T is closed at 1. and open at 3, and this will be 0 to 1. This set is again equal to this, so D is also correct. So we got our correct options. Correct options are B and D.